Harmonization of SAP bases with emerging technologies. Opportunities of harmonizing SAP bases with emerging technologies. SAP bases is the technical foundation of SAP systems, which enables the integration and administration of various applications and databases. SAP Bases supports the operation and maintenance of SAP S/4HANA, the latest and most advanced enterprise resource planning (ERP) software from SAP. SAP S/4HANA is designed to provide real-time insights and analytics, streamline business processes, and simplify data structures. However, SAP S/4HANA can also benefit from the integration of emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, AI, cloud computing, and the Internet of Things, IoT. These technologies can enhance the functionality and efficiency of SAP S/4HANA, improve the agility and flexibility of business processes, increase the productivity and profitability of operations, reduce the costs and risks of IT systems, optimize the use of resources and assets, and increase customer satisfaction and loyalty. In this section, we will explore the potential benefits of harmonizing SAP bases with these emerging technologies and how they can create opportunities for organizations to gain a competitive edge in the market. AI is the technology that enables machines to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as reasoning, learning, and decision-making. AI can provide intelligent insights and automation for SAP S/4HANA, such as predictive analytics. AI can analyze large and complex data sets to identify patterns, trends, and anomalies, and provide forecasts and recommendations for future actions. For example, AI can help predict customer demand, optimize inventory levels, prevent fraud, and detect errors. Natural language processing. AI can understand and generate natural language, such as text and speech, and enable conversational interfaces and chatbots. For example, AI can help users interact with SAP S/4HANA through voice or text commands, and provide answers and guidance. Machine learning. AI can learn from data and feedback, and improve its performance and accuracy over time. For example, AI can help automate and optimize business processes, such as procurement, sales, and finance, and adapt to changing conditions and preferences. Cloud computing is the technology that provides on-demand access to shared computing resources and services, such as servers, storage, networks, and software, over the Internet. Cloud computing can provide scalable and reliable infrastructure and services for SAP S/4HANA, such as Cloud Platform. Cloud computing can provide a platform for developing, deploying, and managing SAP S/4HANA applications and extensions without the need for installing and maintaining hardware and software. For example, SAP Cloud Platform is a cloud-based platform that offers various tools and services for building and integrating SAP S/4HANA applications, such as SAP HANA, SAP Leonardo, and SAP Fiori. Cloud storage. Cloud computing can provide a storage solution for storing and accessing large and diverse data sets without the need for purchasing and managing physical devices. For example, SAP HANA Cloud is a cloud-based storage solution that offers high-performance and in-memory data processing for SAP S/4HANA applications, such as SAP Analytics Cloud and SAP Data Warehouse Cloud. Cloud services. Cloud computing can provide various services that can enhance the functionality and performance of SAP S/4HANA applications, such as security, backup, recovery, monitoring, and support. For example, SAP Cloud Services is a cloud-based service that offers various solutions for securing and managing SAP S/4HANA applications, such as SAP Cloud Identity, SAP Cloud Connector, and SAP Cloud ALM. IoT is the technology that connects physical objects, such as devices, sensors, and machines, to the internet and enables them to collect and exchange data. IoT can provide real-time and contextual data and feedback for SAP S/4HANA, such as smart devices. IoT can enable devices, such as smartphones, tablets, and wearables, to interact with SAP S/4HANA applications and users, and provide data and notifications. For example, IoT can help users access and control SAP S/4HANA applications from their devices and receive alerts and reminders. Smart sensors. IoT can enable sensors such as temperature, pressure, and motion sensors to monitor and measure various physical parameters and conditions and provide data and signals. For example, IoT can help track and optimize the performance and quality of products, processes, and assets, such as production, logistics, and maintenance. Smart machines. IoT can enable machines, such as robots, drones, and vehicles, to perform various tasks and operations, and provide data and feedback. For example, IoT can help automate and improve the efficiency and safety of activities, such as manufacturing, delivery, and service. By integrating SAP bases with these emerging technologies, organizations can create opportunities to gain a competitive edge in the market, such as creating new and innovative products and services. Organizations can leverage the data and insights from AI, cloud computing, and IoT to design and deliver products and services that meet the needs and expectations of customers and provide value and differentiation. For example, organizations can create personalized and customized offerings, such as recommendations, promotions, and subscriptions, based on customer preferences and behavior. Expanding into new and emerging markets and segments, organizations can leverage the infrastructure and services from cloud computing and the connectivity and data from IoT to reach and serve new and diverse customers and tap into new and emerging markets and segments. For example, organizations can expand their geographic and demographic reach and enter new industries and domains, such as healthcare, education, and agriculture. Differentiating from competitors and creating value for customers, organizations can leverage the functionality and efficiency from SAP S/4HANA and the intelligence and automation from AI to improve their core competencies and capabilities and enhance their competitive advantage and customer value. For example, organizations can improve their operational excellence, customer intimacy, and product leadership, and offer superior quality, service, and experience. Leveraging network effects and synergies, organizations can leverage the integration and collaboration from SAP bases and the network and feedback from IoT to create and benefit from network effects and synergies and increase their market power and influence. For example, organizations can create and join ecosystems and platforms and share and exchange data and resources with other stakeholders such as suppliers, partners, and customers. Fostering collaboration and innovation, organizations can leverage the platform and tools from cloud computing and the learning and adaptation from AI to foster a culture of collaboration and innovation and enhance their creativity and agility. For example, organizations can enable and empower their employees and teams and engage and involve their customers and communities to co-create and co-innovate solutions and opportunities. In conclusion, harmonizing SAP bases with emerging technologies such as AI, cloud computing, and IoT can offer various benefits and opportunities for organizations, such as enhancing the functionality and efficiency of SAP S/4HANA, improving the agility and flexibility of business processes, increasing the productivity and profitability of operations, reducing the costs and risks of IT systems, optimizing the use of resources and assets, increasing customer satisfaction and loyalty, creating new and innovative products and services, expanding into new and emerging markets and segments, differentiating from competitors and creating value for customers, leveraging network effects and synergies, and fostering collaboration and innovation. By integrating SAP bases with these technologies, organizations can gain a competitive edge in the market and achieve their strategic goals and objectives. Roadmap for integrating SAP bases with emerging technologies. Integrating SAP bases with emerging technologies such as AI, cloud computing, and IoT can offer various benefits and opportunities for organizations, as discussed in the previous section. However, such integration also poses various challenges and risks, such as technical complexity, organizational change, and ethical and legal implications. Therefore, organizations need to follow a comprehensive roadmap to successfully integrate SAP bases with these technologies and achieve their desired outcomes and impacts. In this section, we will provide a roadmap for organizations to plan, implement, and manage these integrations, and offer practical guidance and recommendations to overcome the challenges and leverage the opportunities. The roadmap for integrating SAP bases with emerging technologies consists of the following stages. Define the vision and objectives of the integration. The first stage of the roadmap is to define the vision and objectives of the integration and align them with the business strategy and goals of the organization. This stage involves identifying the needs and expectations of the users and customers, the value proposition and differentiation of the products and services, and the key performance indicators and metrics of the integration. This stage also involves conducting a feasibility and cost-benefit analysis and establishing a business case and a return on investment for the integration. Assess the current state and readiness of the organization and the technologies. The second stage of the roadmap is to assess the current state and readiness of the organization and the technologies and identify the gaps and opportunities for improvement. This stage involves evaluating the existing SAP S/4HANA applications and SAP basis infrastructure and the available AI, cloud computing, and IoT technologies and platforms, and determining their strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. This stage also involves assessing the organizational culture, structure, and processes, and the skills and knowledge of the employees and teams, and determining their readiness and capability for the integration. Design the integration architecture and strategy. The third stage of the roadmap is to design the integration architecture and strategy, and select the appropriate tools and platforms for the integration. This stage involves defining the integration scope, requirements, and specifications, and designing the integration architecture and components, such as the data sources, the data flows, the data models, the data processing, the data storage, the data visualization, the data security, and the data governance. This stage also involves selecting the best fit AI, cloud computing, and IoT tools and platforms for the integration, such as SAP Cloud Platform, SAP nCloud, SAP Leonardo, SAP Analytics Cloud, SAP Data Warehouse Cloud, SAP Cloud Identity, SAP Cloud Connector, SAP Cloud ALM, and SAP Fiori. Implement the integration solution and test its functionality and performance. The fourth stage of the roadmap is to implement the integration solution and test its functionality and performance, and ensure its quality and reliability. This stage involves developing, deploying, and configuring the integration solution, and integrating it with the SAP S/4HANA applications and the SAP basis infrastructure, and the AI, cloud computing, and IoT tools and platforms. This stage also involves testing the integration solution and verifying its functionality and performance, such as its accuracy, efficiency, scalability, availability, and usability. Manage the integration process and monitor its outcomes and impacts. The fifth stage of the roadmap is to manage the integration process and monitor its outcomes and impacts, and ensure its alignment and compliance. This stage involves establishing a governance and management framework for the integration and allocating the resources and roles, such as the project manager, the project team, the stakeholders, and the sponsors. This stage also involves communicating and coordinating with the stakeholders and following the best practices and standards, such as the Agile and Scrum methodologies, and the SAP Activate and SAP Solution Manager tools. This stage also involves addressing the challenges and risks of the integration, such as the technical issues, the organizational resistance, and the ethical and legal implications, and implementing the mitigation and contingency plans. Evaluate the integration results and feedback. The sixth stage of the roadmap is to evaluate the integration results and feedback, and measure and report the progress and performance of the integration. This stage involves collecting and analyzing the data and feedback from the users and customers, and the SAP S/4HANA applications and the SAP Basis infrastructure, and the AI, cloud computing, and IoT tools and platforms. This stage also involves measuring and reporting the progress and performance of the integration, and comparing them with the predefined key performance indicators and metrics, such as the customer satisfaction, the customer loyalty, the operational excellence, the product innovation, the market expansion, the competitive advantage, and the return on investment. Continuously improve and optimize the integration. The seventh and final stage of the roadmap is to continuously improve and optimize the integration and learn and adapt from the experience and feedback. This stage involves identifying and implementing the improvement and optimization opportunities for the integration, such as enhancing the functionality and efficiency of the integration solution, improving the agility and flexibility of the business processes, increasing the productivity and profitability of the operations, reducing the costs and risks of the IT systems, optimizing the use of the resources and assets, and increasing the customer value and differentiation. This stage also involves learning and adapting from the experience and feedback of the integration, and fostering a culture of innovation and collaboration, and investing in the skills and knowledge development of the employees and teams.